I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Today we're going to be making a... No, we're not making anything. We're... Today we're going to be making a greenhouse space. So you can see here that I had to pull back some of the trees that were coming there because it's pretty tight. It does come with gutters, these little tabs. All the parts are completely labeled where they go, that you have to follow the directions to understand them. These, like I said, require soap in order to slide them in. They have these little tabs down at the bottom right there. They have a tendency to fall out. You just got to be careful and push them in. And so I did put a little landing up here, and then I'm going to put pine straw there. One of these wheels did break that was on this top part here, so the sliding door. I'm going to upgrade that, and I'm also going to put an upgrade something up here at the top. This vent design, which is right here, is not something that I completely love. As far as the size goes, these do have a side they go on. There's a UV coating on the outside. That's the clear part. You got to put the white part, put the film on the inside. So I'm going to probably put some shelves right there. You can see I hit my head. Some shelves there and some shelves there, and then I will be able to walk down the center part. But as far as the design goes, now there is a base for the design. I went ahead and just drilled holes and screwed it right into this flooring, but there is a base that I put under there. I went all the way up to the edge of the dog ears. These dog ears were $2.52 a piece. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. This seems to be nice. I don't know exactly how it's going to hold up. The bolts did not have lock washers. I think you could add Loctite to those later, or you can just put in a lock washer. But I had a ratchet for that. And also you have to do a lot of these T-slot. Here's a random one that I had. But sliding in the panels has to be one of the more difficult things. I keep on hitting my head right there. But this is interesting that it comes with sort of this gutter thing. But I left over a period of 2 days I was building this, and I took these out of the box. I would leave these inside until you're ready, so you don't get that water built up with that. But anyways, that's the final tour. I am going to put pine straw around and get my shelves put in. But in general, it was pretty tough build, but it was pretty. Oh, let me go over here and show you that I had to pull away that tree to pull it there because I was pretty close to whatever the edge is. But this is the space I have. Here are my solar panels that I'm going to add in order to make this just be able to have some power, so I can do some filtration. So over there I'm going to be putting some of my winter plants and lettuce, and then over there I'm going to be putting a shelf and then utilize that. But it's pretty good.